Introduction: The FCC certified the US Galaxy S25 model over a week ago. Now, the European or global variant of Samsung's flagship line for next year is seeking clearance from the US regulatory body. The first Galaxy S25 models include SM-MS9931B/DS, SM-MS9936B/DS for the Galaxy S25 Plus, and SM-MS938B/DS for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. These models are similar to the US versions, except for AB/DS indicator signaling dual SIM capability. Release date and features: releasing next month, the Galaxy S25 series will be Samsung's flagship phone line for 2025. The FCC documentation for the American models shows that the base Galaxy S25 model won't offer ultra-wideband connectivity like the Galaxy S25 Plus and Ultra. However, certification for the European and global versions shows that all three models will support ultra-wideband, used for tracking missing or stolen goods with Samsung's SmartTag 2-item tracker. Charging capabilities: the US models support 25W wired charging for the Galaxy S25 and 45W for the S25 Plus and Ultra. The European or global models will offer the same charging rates. Color options: with the Galaxy S25 release date approaching, there's been much discussion about an updated color palette. Leaked photos show four possible colors for the Galaxy S25 Ultra: black, dark blue, gold, and silver. Media outlets are calling them titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gold, and titanium silver. This contrasts slightly with what we heard from famed leaker Ice Universe, who claimed the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be sold in black, green, blue, and titanium. Expected changes: rumors suggest the S25 will have a more rounded appearance, larger displays with fewer bezels, and improved performance powered by a new Snapdragon 8 chipset. The Galaxy S25 series is expected to be the first in Samsung's portfolio to run Android 15, with anticipated One UI 7 features. Pricing: the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to start at $1,299.95, though it might cost more due to the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Tipsters suggest the Snapdragon 8 Elite costs around 20% more than its predecessor, which could increase the Ultra starting price to around $1,340. Battery capacity: the S25 Ultra's battery will remain at 5,000 mAh, with a maximum charging capacity of 45 watts, similar to the S24 Ultra. Satellite connectivity: the S25 Ultra might offer satellite connectivity, allowing emergency calls without a cell connection, similar to features in the iPhone 14 and Google Pixel 9. Conclusion: Samsung is likely to announce the new Galaxy S models in January. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.